How to cancel Spotify Premium or how to cancel auto subscription on Spotify. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can cancel your auto subscription on your Spotify app. So I want you to go ahead and go to your app store. When you go to your app store, so when you open your app store, I want you to navigate to your profile section. So click on your profile section. When you click on profile section, I want you to just click on where it says subscription. So when you click on subscription, guys, it's going to be showing your active subscription here, guys. When your subscription section is open, guys, here you're going to be seeing where you're going to look for Spotify. So if I don't really have a current subscription on Spotify, but if your subscription is current on Spotify, just go ahead and open it. When you open it, you can go ahead and click and see plans and go ahead and cancel it or change your plans. So that's how you can cancel your Spotify auto payment. So I don't really have any Spotify payment here, but this is where you're going to find it, and this is where you're going to be cancelled if you are using an iPhone. If you're not using an iPhone, you can go ahead and cancel it on your Play Store if you're using an Android. So I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.